Today marks 60 years since the Civil Rights Act of 1964 was signed into law, prohibiting discrimination on the basis of race, color, religion, sex, or national origin.
6 on Your Side reporter Ella Wales spent the day taking a look at Knoxville's black history and how leaders are contributed to the movement.
I had gotten arrested with Dr. King in 1960, sitting in at Rich's in Atlanta because they refused to serve us.
Reverend Harold Middlebrook, just one of many Knoxvillians that were at the forefront of sit-ins and protests to push the civil rights movement forward.
We were trying to integrate the Tennessee Theater, and I happened to be the first one in line, okay? And so when I went up to buy the ticket, I think because I was fair-skinned, the lady accidentally sold me a ticket.
When the theater discovered the mistake, Joseph Kendrick was kicked out and arrested after returning to the protests in the street. Knoxville's impact stretches all the way to the White House. Knoxvillian Sylvia Peters' aunt is pictured in this photo from the day the act was signed into law.
She and another woman were the first black females to be White House correspondents. And LB told her, "Ethel, stay in town this weekend. Something great is going to happen."
However, even after the Civil Rights Act was passed in 1964, things didn't change immediately.
I remember distinctly going to a local restaurant after the passage of the '64 Civil Rights Act to test what that was going to be like. They were all white, and they were debating amongst each other who was going to draw the short straw and had to wait on me and my wife at the time.
Knoxville's rich black history continues to be studied today at the Beck Cultural Center.
If we're not afraid to look back, then nothing we're facing can frighten us. We look back so we can look forward to a greater future. But as important, if not more so, is that it's important for our citizens, and especially our young people, to understand what it really means to fight for justice and equality.
And there's no better way to understand than from the people who were there.
The struggle is still there. The dream is still alive. And hopefully, as some of us who were involved then pass off the scene, hopefully we can educate young people like yourselves.
In Knoxville, Ella Wales, 6 on Your Side.
Thank you, Ella. Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. also spent time in Knoxville, speaking at Knoxville College 4 years before the Civil Rights Act was passed.